This might be the most underrated thing to do in Siargao, and it's helping locals earn a living. We tried the Maasin River Tour, where you get to ride a small boat along this quiet mangrove river. Super calm and relaxing compared to the usual beach activities here. There's also a lagoon stop where you can do the famous rope swing, take photos, or just hang out. Our boatman actually shared that before the Department of Tourism and the barangay started organizing these tours, they used to get their drinking water from the lagoon, and life was really hard. Most of them worked construction jobs or in the copra industry. There weren't a lot of jobs around. Now, thanks to tourism, this has become their main source of livelihood. Each household in this barangay is given slots to work as boatmen or assist with the tours. So this activity is literally helping locals earn a living.
600 pesos only, Alex. Can you believe? No. Hi, that's Kuya Ariel.
I also paid 400 pesos extra for drone shots, which I think was worth it. You can tip someone at the lagoon to take your photos or videos. You pay as you want, so we paid 100 pesos. There are stalls there too selling food and coconuts, so make sure to bring some cash. Super nag-enjoy kami sa tour na to. Maganda talaga siya, and at the same time, we are happy to help the locals. So if you're in Siargao, don't miss this tour. Nag-enjoy ka na, nakatulong ka pa.